I am now giving the contents of the cloud computing course conducted by Sbyte Technologies. The first chapter gives introduction, cloud and dynamic infrastructure, cloud computing delivery models and services, cloud computing characteristics and cloud adopting, cloud computing at Amazon. The chapter 2 gives measured service, cloud models, security in public cloud, public versus private clouds, cloud infrastructure self-service, gamut of cloud solutions, principal technologies, cloud strategy, cloud design, Amazon Web Services, cloud computing, the Google perspective, Microsoft Windows, Azure and online services. The chapter 3 gives implementation using SOA, conceptual cloud model, cloud service defined, software platform management services, service management system supply, cloud analytics, testing, information security, virtual desktop infrastructure. Chapter 4 contains high availability and disaster recovery, cloud chargeback models, open source software for private clouds, cloud storage diversity and vendor lock-in, ecological impact, service level agreements, user experience, software licensing, challenges of cloud computing, architectural styles for cloud computing. Chapter 5 gives coordination of multiple activities, a parallel between workflows and programs, MapReduce, cloud for science and engineering, high performance computing on a cloud, cloud computing for biology, research, social computing, relation between digital content and cloud computing. Chapter 6 gives layering and virtualization, virtualization defined, server virtualization, virtualization benefits, virtual machines, performance and security isolation, full virtualization and para-virtualization, hardware support for virtualization, case study, V-Blades, performance comparison of virtual machines, the darker side of virtualization, hypervisor management software, logical partitioning, virtual infrastructure requirements. Chapter 7 gives policies and mechanism, applications of control theory on a cloud, stability of your two-level resource allocation architecture, feedback control based on dynamic thresholds, coordination of specialized performance managers, utility-based model for cloud-based web services. Chapter 8 gives resource building and combinational actions, pricing and allocation algorithms, scheduling algorithms for computing clouds, fair queuing, cloud scheduling subject to deadlines, resource management, dynamic application scaling, privacy, impact assessment, security risk posted by shared images, a trusted virtual machine monitor. And chapter 9 gives Amazon Web Services, security rules for transport layer protocol, how to use S3 in Java, cloud-based simulation of distributed trust algorithms, a cloud service for adaptive data streaming, cloud-based optimal FPGA synthesis, SOA Journey to infrastructure. So, if you study this course monthly, the fees is very reasonable, and if you pass the test will be equivalent to the MTech level, the same course you will be able to manage, or MS level course in foreign universities. Good luck.